My name is Fernando Urenda. I have been working for G&W Electric for 8 years, and my current title is Setup Tooling Technician. My first role in G&W Electric was the machine operator one. It's like epoxy molding. So when I was doing the epoxy molding, then it was this new project for silicone injection molding. So I asked my supervisor if I can be part of that. And they gave me the opportunity to do that. It seems like every day I learn something new. So through my whole 8 years, every day learning, helping people, like I see something that we can do better by changing little things. And that keeps me going. I like the culture of the company. They give me a chance to grow. Electricity, we can't live without that nowadays. It makes me really proud to be part of that, and the new things the company is doing to make that better. The culture, opportunities, I think we have great benefits, and I don't know, I have little education, and even like that, I think I'm in a good position.